Welcome to the spoken tutorial on copy cataloging using Z39.50. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add records in catalog by using Z39.50. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux operating system 16.04 and Koha version 16.05. Please ensure that you are connected to the internet. To follow this tutorial, learners should have knowledge of library science, cataloging standards, AACR2 and Mark 21. To practice this tutorial, you should have Koha installed on your system and you should also have admin access in Koha. For more details, please refer to the Koha spoken tutorial series on this website. So what is Z39.50? Z39.50 is a client-server protocol for searching and retrieving information from remote computer databases. In short, it is a tool used for copying cataloging. Let us begin. First, let me switch to the Koha interface and log in as Superlibrarian Bella. On the Koha homepage, click on Koha Administration. On this page, scroll to the bottom and locate Additional Parameters. Then, click on Z39.50/SRU servers. A new page Z39.50/SRU servers administration opens up. There are two tabs here: New Z39.50 server and New SRU server. Click on the tab New Z39.50 server. A new page opens with the title New Z39.50 server. Note that in order to add target Z39.50 server, we should know the target server details. If you don't know any of the Z39.50 server details, you can find the list of Z39.50 servers on this URL. The IRSpy page opens up, prompting us to fill in some details. Let's begin. Leave the field anywhere as blank. For name, I will type Library of Congress. This is because it is one of the biggest library and has a large bibliographical data. Next, in the field for country, from drop-down, select United States. For protocol, from the drop-down, select Z39.50. You may fill in the rest of the details as per your requirements. Then, click on the Search button at the bottom of the page. A new page opens with the search results. A list of 9 libraries is displayed under various heads such as Title, Host Connection Reliability, Host, Port and DB. These details will be used for filling in the details on the new Z39.50 server in Koha. Note that you may see a different list of libraries which may be more than 10. Remember, before adding any target Z39.50 server, please ensure the host connection reliability. I will click on the title Library of Congress. A new page with the heading Library of Congress opens. Keep this page open as we will need the details on this page a little later. Now let us go back to the new Z39.50 server page that we had left open earlier in this tutorial and start filling in the necessary details on this page. The details are in the Library of Congress page which we have kept open. So let us start. On the new Z39.50 server page, for server name, type Library of Congress. This detail is from the section Name in the Library of Congress page. I have filled in a few other details on the new Z39.50 server page, which I had noted from the Library of Congress page. You may pause the video and fill in the details as per your requirements. Please note that the fields marked in red are mandatory. Next, we see the checkbox Pre-selected Search by default. Click this if you want the database of this particular library to be searched always by default. I will leave it unchecked. Now we come to the field for Rank Display Order. If you want this library to be listed at the top of the list of libraries, then enter 1 here. Note that if you want to add multiple Z39.50 targets, you can arrange them as per the rank. For syntax, from the drop-down, I will select Mark 21/US Mark. You may choose any syntax as per your requirement. For encoding, Koha by default selects UTF-8. I will leave it as it is, but you may select any other value as per your requirement. Next is timeout 0 it's like not set. Here type the number of seconds that you wish to wait for the results to appear. I will enter 240. For record type, Koha by default auto-selects bibliographic. On doing so, each record will have a bibliographic detail. After all details are filled in, click on the Save button at the bottom of the page. The page Z39.50/SRU Servers Administration opens again. We can see the details that were added under different headings on this page. Now, to search records from this library, go to the Koha home page and click on Cataloging. A new page with two options opens: New Record and New from Z39.50/SRU. Go to the New from Z39.50/SRU and from the drop-down select Books. A new window Z39.50/SRU Search opens. Locate the field Search Targets at the extreme right side of the page. Here you can see the Z39.50 target that we had added earlier in this tutorial. That is Library of Congress. Now click on the checkbox adjacent to Library of Congress. On the left side of the same page is Z39.50/SRU Search with various fields. Among these fields, locate Title and type Clinical Microbiology. You may fill in the rest of the fields if you wish to. I will leave them as blank. Now click on the Search button at the bottom of the page. Before clicking, however, please ensure that you are connected to the Internet. Another new page, Results, opens, showing details with the heading Server, Title, author, date, edition, ISBN, LCCN, mark and card. Now go to the extreme right side of the page and locate the field Import. I will click on Import for the field title Clinical Microbiology. You may click on Import for any other title as per your requirement. When import is clicked, a new window named Add Mark Record opens. You will see some of the tags that have been imported from the Library of Congress database. But the blank fields for the respective tags have to be filled by you as per your requirements. Recall, we have filled in the details of this page in an earlier tutorial. Pause the video and fill the details. After filling in the details, click on Save button at the top of the page. A new page, Items for Clinical Microbiology by Ross Philip W. opens. Now click on the Add Item button at the bottom of the page. The page Items for Clinical Microbiology by Ross Philip W. opens. With this, we have successfully imported the details of the book Clinical Microbiology from the Library of Congress into Koha. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learnt how to add records in catalog by using Z39.50. Assignment: add records of a serial in catalog by using Z39.50. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial Project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial Project is funded by NMEICT MHRD Government of India. More information on this mission is available at this link. This is Bella Tony from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for joining.